Chapter 4, Cabesan Tales. Cabesan Tales with his family and father cultivate a piece of land from the hardship, the experience and sicknesses they experience. Tales' wife and eldest daughter die when he is about to harvest his crops, and religious older lies claim to the land and demands an annual rent. Tales eventually agreed to the arrangement, but every year the rent keeps going up until he has had enough. He goes to the court and demands that the religious order presents some proofs of their ownership of the land. After a long and expensive litigation, Thales loses the case. He is unfortunately abducted by bandits demanding the ransom. Not enough money is raised for the ransom. So Huli, the daughter of the Cabesan Thales, borrows the money from the Hermana Pencha to pay the debt. Huli agreed to work for the Hermana as a servant.